Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, March 7, 2023 on our channel. BEEAH Headquarters receives Blueprint of the Future Award. Daikin Australia will build a second factory. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. BEEAH Headquarters receives Blueprint of the Future Award. The BEEAH Headquarters in Sharjah, the first fully AI-integrated building in the Middle East, has just received the Open Blue Pioneer Blueprint of the Future Award from Johnson Controls. Operating at LEED Platinum standards and targeting net zero emissions, the BEEAH Headquarters uses an on-site solar power plant to meet a large portion of its power requirements. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Daikin Australia will build a second factory. Daikin Australia has announced plans to expand its manufacturing operations by building a second plant at its Chipping Norton facility. The project, due to be completed by June 2024, includes the construction of a new 7,500 square meters factory in addition to the existing production facilities. The new plant will include expanded manufacturing facilities for modular air conditioners, PA, an expanded air conditioner assembly line, AHU, additional raw material warehouses and staff training facilities. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.